I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You are already in GTA Online. Don't pause to check settings. First, confirm you're inside a live session and not on a loading map. Then, find the single pause / menu control for your platform, ESC on PC, Options on PlayStation, Menu, or Start on Xbox. Press that one button firmly once. Hold it only if the game fails to register input. This direct press is the only reliable way to open the in-game pause menu and access settings, jobs, inventory, and character options. Once you press the pause / menu button, watch the screen for the overlay to appear. Give it a second or two. If you specifically need interaction commands, note that the interaction menu is different. Use M on PC or the touchpad on PlayStation, but only after the pause interface if required. Make a single deliberate press. Rapid tapping often causes the client to drop inputs during lag. If the menu appears dim or slow, wait briefly rather than pressing again, because repeated presses can make the game unresponsive. To complete the task, use your stick or arrow keys to move through tabs and confirm with the platform's Accept button on Xbox, X on PlayStation, Enter on PC. If the menu won't open, make sure your controller or keyboard is connected and responsive. Unplugging and replugging often restores input. Once done, try opening the pause menu again. If still blocked, go back to your session map or rejoin the session before restarting the application. Restart only as a last step, because reconnecting solves most menu issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.